Hello, we're going to talk about the M1 carbine. This is Dean. I buy cool stuff. I've got 4 of them in my collection. We're going to go over them briefly. Just talk about where I found some of them and whatnot. And we're just going to look at them briefly. We'll take them out and shoot them. So subscribe, like, share, and we'll cover this stuff a lot more later on this year. So everyone loves M1 carbines. Nothing not to love about an M1 carbine. I've got 4 of them here in my collection. I've got 2 Winchesters, an inland, and what is the last one? I had just picked it up at a gun show not too long ago. I think it's a quality. Not sure. Let's see if we can see it up underneath there. Is that an Underwood, maybe? Looks like an Underwood. So, most guns we find will be like the Underwood. That's this one here. It'll have the post-World War II bayonet lug. And we'll have lots of improved parts, be mix masters, been rearsenaled and whatnot. This one here is a 100% original Winchester. Flip sight and all. This one here, I was sitting at the flea market one day, selling my wares. A guy walking by had a carbine over his shoulder and it looked awful nice. And I says, "Hey, what you got?" And he says, "A Winchester carbine." I says, "No way." He says, "Yep." I said, "What are you asking for it?" He says, $300. He reached out, handed it to me, and I paid the man. But if you're not out buying and selling, if you're not out looking, you're not going to find the stuff. And that's why it's called I Buy Cool Stuff, because I buy cool stuff. Another one here is this is also a Winchester. And it's all original too. I think we can see it up underneath there. Yep. This one here is also an all Winchester original, but it's a little later war. I don't see any added on parts or anything. I believe I've went through it stem to stern. Don't see any replacement parts. And it's a Winchester as well. This is an inland. See if we can, it'll focus there. Okay, it's not going to focus. Anyhow, that's the ordnance wheel. You can see the marking up underneath there. Markings here. And it's an inland Paratrooper. All original gun as well. Note the high wood, low wood, low wood, high wood. Both of the Winchesters are high wood, and both of them, that's how I've got them. I mean, that's how they came. Like I said, I believe they're all original parts. No replacement parts on any of them. Them 2 Winchesters have no replacement parts. The inland has no replacement parts, I do not believe. Looks like it's got the push button safety and everything. So we're not going over them too specifically. It's just 4 in my collection. The Underwood's probably, not a permanent member of the residents here. The other ones are. And just the things you can find. But if you're not out looking at this stuff, I bought the Underwood at a gun show. The guy had it out on his table, and I bought it at the right price. So I buy them with the right price. So everybody loves carbines. They're one of the most fun guns to shoot. We're going to take these out and shoot them this summer. Still got snow on the ground here in Michigan. So we'll see you back next time I do a little short video. And we're just trying to get that 1,000 subscribers and hours of views. So subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate it. Have a good day.